JDCap 26 here to just do the tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we got the Charge Super Tool here. And I was thinking about how to improve screwing things down, screwing things in with Phillips screws and everything else, and I came up with this. So here's the Charge with the bit on the end, and you take this part right here, you attach it like that, so it goes on that. Then you get one of these guys right here, okay, and you can actually put that on the end here, and it fits, and you can screw like this and have torque and ratcheting action to give you a little bit more leverage to take the screw out. Or you can take that out, switch it around, and go reverse direction, put it back on the super tool, and go that way, screw it in, or turn it around, and like this, take it off, okay? So all you have to do is carry this part in your pocket if you want to, or make a section for your case and just drop it in your case. Like, take the ferro rod out, put it in your case like that, and carry it that way if you want. Okay, and put the bits in. You have bits inside. Let's see if the bits from the super tool will fit in the ball itself. So yeah, you could fit the bits in the super tool, say like that, and it'll still work. Okay, so that's what I want to show you today on the Charge, and hope this helped you. And it's just, you know, taking one tool and taking another tool, putting the tools together, and coming up with something. So I'm hoping you're having a good day as I put all this stuff away here, fold it up, and staying safe, staying cool, and we'll see you next time. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video, with the thumbs down, and take care.